Meet the new VLM and VLA Series, lamp-ready vanity fixtures designed to complement today's residential and light commercial spaces. The VLM Series features a clean, modern square design, available in 1, 2, 3, and 4 lamp configurations. The VLA Series offers a soft around profile, available in 2, 3, and 4 lamp models for a timeless, versatile look. Both series are offered in elegant black and brushed nickel finishes to complement a wide variety of interior styles. Each fixture is equipped with standard E26 Medium Base sockets, giving you the freedom to choose the perfect lamps for your application. Whether you prefer warm, inviting light or bright, crisp illumination, you're in complete control. Modern styling, flexible lighting, reliable performance. The new VLM and VLA Vanity Light Series from Westgate Manufacturing. Lighting made simple. Westgate Manufacturing, America's most dependable lighting.